Welcome to our channel. Protecting your TurboTax account is essential to keep your sensitive financial information safe from unauthorized access and potential fraud. Step 1. Log into your TurboTax account using your current username and password through the official TurboTax website or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication by selecting the security options and choosing to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Step 4. Link your mobile phone number or email address to receive verification codes whenever you log in from a new device or location. Step 5. Create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, avoiding common words or personal information. Step 6. Set up security questions with answers that only you would know, making them difficult for others to guess. Step 7. Review your account activity regularly to check for any suspicious login attempts or unauthorized changes to your information. Step 8. Sign out of your account when finished, especially when using public computers or shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.